Let's install your Ocushield screen protector for monitors. Option 1. In the box, you'll find your screen protector, dust remover, cleaning cloth, and holding stickers. Place 2 holding stickers on each side of your monitor, left, right, and bottom, for a secure fit. Peel off the protective films from both the front and back of the screen protector. Clean your monitor screen thoroughly. Use the dust remover to pick up any remaining particles. Then insert your screen filter gently from the top edge. Option 2. Instead of the holding stickers, use the double-sided tape. Apply 6 double-sided tape on the backside of the screen protector. Spare tapes are provided for any future use. Mount the adhesive side of the screen filter onto your monitor, then press firmly along the top, sides, and bottom to secure it, and you're all set.